Number 1 para sa ating method of extracting the roots. If C is greater than 0. So sabi sa discussion natin, kapag yung C is greater than 0, meron tayong 2 real solutions. So this time we're going to discuss some examples with regards to this case. So number 1, if we have x squared is equal to 4, so our C is greater than 0, so it means that we have 2 solutions. So applying the square root, we're going to take the root of both sides to cancel the square. Okay, so after that we have x here is plus minus square root of 4 is 2. So the 2 solutions that we have is x is equal to positive 2 and negative 2. Okay, so that is if x is greater than 0. Another example, x squared equal to 64. So ang gagawin natin is square root natin both sides para matanggal natin yung square. So x is equal to plus or minus 8. So the 2 solutions are 8 and negative 8. Okay, so laging may dalawang solutions tayo kapag x is greater than 0. Another example, x squared minus 100 is equal to 0. So this time, nakikita nyo na yung ating equation is not in the form of x squared is equal to c. So that's why we have to write this equation into this form. So what we're going to do is to transpose the constant term here to the right side. That will become x squared equals 100. Okay, so huwag nyo lang ilagay yung 0. So with that, x is equal to 100 or x squared is equal to 100. Now this is our C, which is greater than 0 according to this equation. So taking this equation, taking the roots of both sides, so we have x is equal to plus or minus 10. So the 2 solutions that we have are solutions na meron tayo is x is equal to 10 and negative 10. So these are the 2 solutions that we have. Alright, so to check if your answer is correct, given the equation in this form, like for example our example number 1, x squared equals 4, taking the square root of both sides, so x we have plus or minus 2. Now to check if your answer is correct, we're going to substitute these 2 values in the original equation. So remember that our original equation is x squared is equal to 4. So to check, let's substitute the values. So x squared, if x is 2, so we have x squared sorry, we have 2x. So papalitan natin yung x ng 2. So 2 square is equal to 4, question mark. So 2 square is 4 is equal to 4. Therefore our answer is correct if our x is positive. What about if x is negative? Since we have two solutions, the positive 2 and the negative 2. So here palitan lang natin. So negative 2 square negative 2 times negative 2, we have positive 4. So equal pa din. So it means tama pa rin yung ating solution. Okay. Right, so another example of x if c is greater than 0. Like for example, I have 2x squared equals 18. Okay, so our c is greater than 0, so therefore we have two solutions. Okay, so how to solve this equation? So take note that our equation is, or must be written in x squared equals c. Take note that variable here has no coefficient, pero sa problem natin meron. So our first goal or first step is to make the coefficient of our variable here 1. So anong gagawin natin dito para matanggal yung 2, para x squared na lang may 1. So what we're going to do is to divide whatever the coefficient of the variable x. So let's divide that by 2, both sides. Bakit 2? Kasi 2 yung kasama nun. Okay? So let's divide. We have x squared is equal to 9. Then bago natin a square root both sides. So x is equal to plus or minus 3. The solutions are positive 3 and negative 3. Okay, so ganun gagawin natin kapag yung ating variable may kasama coefficient. I-divide muna natin siya kung ano yung kasama ng ating variable. Right, another example, if x or if c is greater than 0. So if I have x minus 3 or the square of x minus 3 equals 36. Okay, so ganyan yung ating equation. So mapapansin nyo meron tayong term inside the parentheses. So ang ating pagbabasihan pa rin is x square equals c. Okay, so dito titinang lang natin to as one term, as x lang. Okay, so parang ganito natin siya i-solve. Huwag nyo masyadong problemahin yung parentheses. Right, so since x lang yun, ibig sabihin x square lang yun. Okay, so pag ganyan yung ating problem, ang gagawin natin is square root na kaagad natin. Okay, so square root natin para maka-cancel natin to. So x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 6. Okay, so 6. So dito meron tayong dalawang solution pero may number pa tayo dito. So ang gagawin natin dito, ito transpose natin sa right side. Okay, so two values pa din, positive and negative 6. So x, two solutions. If x is equal to 6 plus 3, so x is 9. Yung positive 6 muna, tapos yung 3 nilipat natin kaya naging plus. Another solution, x is negative 6 plus 3. So kanina kinuha natin yung positive, this time kukunin natin yung negative. So, plus 3 pa din. So, negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. So, ito yung ating dalawang solution. Okay. Another example. I have the square of the quantity 3x minus 1 minus 16. So, again, dapat yung ating equation sa ganitong form kapag yung ginagamit natin is extracting the roots. Okay? So, huwag kalimutan yan. So, here, ito yung ating x square kasi meron tayong constant term dito. So, ang gagawin natin, ililipat natin yan dun sa right side. So, we have 3x minus 1 square was positive 16. Tapos ang positive kasi negative yon, tinranspose natin sa right side in positive. So, ganyan equation natin, pwede natin i-square root both sides para makancel natin. Okay? So, 3x minus 1 equals plus or minus 4. Okay? So, two solutions pa rin. We have positive 4 and negative 4. So, we have 3x equals 4 plus 1. Yung 1 nilipat natin, negative 1 and plus. So, 3x equals 5. So, para matanggal yung 3, divide natin ng 3 both sides. So, x is 5 over 3. Yung isang solution ay 3x minus 1 equals negative 4. Kasi meron tayong positive 4. Ito na yung positive 4 natin. Negative 4. Ito yung negative 4 natin. So, 3x equals negative 4 plus 1. So, we have 3x equals negative 3. Okay? Tapos, divide natin 3 both sides. Cancel. So, x is negative 1. So, yun yung ating solution. We have 5/3 and negative 1. Yung ating solution. Yan. Right, other example, we have 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. So again, yung ating equation pa rin dapat kapag extracting the roots ay nasa ganitong form. So ito, applyan muna natin siya ng FOIL method. So FOIL method sa inyong grade 8 math, napag-aralan nyo na yun, and sa inyong grade 7. Or kung hindi naman FOIL method, multiply natin long method. So 2x times 2x, you have 4x squared. So, papapansin nyo, negative, positive. Actually, ang lesson na to, pag multiply natin is product of the sum and difference. So, magkapareho yung mga number nila, ang pinag-iba lang yung sign. So, pag ganun, ang shortcut natin, pag multiply natin yung unang number, we have 4x squared. Tapos, pag multiply na lang natin yung last number. So, negative 1 times 1, I have negative 1 equals 0. Next, after that, dito transpose na natin to dun sa right side. So, 4x squared plus 1. Gagawin natin square root. So, cancel. 4x equals plus minus 1. So, two solutions pa rin meron tayo. We have 4x equals 1. Divide natin by 4. So, x is 1/4. Another one, 4x equals negative 1. Divide 4. Cancel. X is negative 1/4. So, yan yung ating solution.
should take it slow. Gotta catch 'em all.